I'm Homie.
And I'm Laura Diaz. Here's the latest at 11 o'clock. From the coast to the mountains, the new year got off to a wet start. A fast-moving storm pushed through Southern California, toppling trees and knocking out power in some areas. We have live team coverage of today's storm. Dave Clark updates road conditions on Southland freeways. Johnny Mountain will tell us when the sun will make a comeback. But first, CBS 2's Greg Mills has more on the mudslides and very foggy conditions in the mountains. Greg?
And Laura, here behind me you see the 15 traffic moving pretty well. The road's just a little bit wet. In the mountains, though, it is still a mess. The higher you go, the more problems you encounter. Rain, wind, and dense fog.
It's pretty dangerous. I wouldn't recommend anybody to go up there. The visibility is about like 15 feet.
Heavy rain sent mud and rocks onto Highway 18. Two Caltrans skip loaders couldn't keep up with the mudslide, so Highway 18 was closed above Highway 138. It's expected to reopen sometime tomorrow. This group was headed to Big Bear, but chains are required above 6,000 feet. So they headed down the mountain. Fog was so thick there, they had a hard time seeing the road and anything on it.
We ran over a big, gigantic rock. As you can see, it flattened my tire, so we have to change it right now.
Heavy fog made for a very tricky drive on the mountain road.
We got lost a couple of times. We missed our turn because we can't even see the sign, even if you were had fog lights, and you actually can't even see the lines on the road.
Lower elevations, there was trouble too. The heavy rain pushed mud and rock over Glen Helen Parkway, forcing the closure of the westbound lane. And the good news, clouds are moving out, so improved